Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Notion AI and automate meeting notes, full guide step by step clearly. To download Notion AI, first, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Notion website at www.notion.so. Once on the home page, locate the download button, usually found at the top right corner. Click the download button to access the download options. Choose the version suitable for your operating system, whether it's Windows or Mac OS. Once the download is complete, double-click the installer file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts until the installation is finished. Next, open the Notion application on your device. If you don't already have a Notion account, select Sign Up to create a new account. For existing users, enter your login credentials to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the sidebar and create a new page dedicated to meeting notes. To automate meeting notes, click on the Integration section within Notion. Search for and select Notion AI from the available integrations. Follow the prompts to connect Notion AI with your account. Now, return to your meeting notes page. In the text area, type AI meeting notes to initiate the automation feature. Provide Notion AI with a brief description of the meeting's purpose. Once the meeting concludes, record key points within the notes section. Instruct Notion AI to expand or summarize these notes as needed by typing specific commands. Review the automated notes generated by Notion AI for accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments and add additional insights or follow-up items. To save your meeting notes, click the Done button located at the top. Now, you have successfully downloaded Notion AI and automated your meeting notes. Feel free to explore additional features within Notion to enhance your productivity and organization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.